Today I'm headed for a waterfall in Jianshih district. Been here before, twice. I thought it was a new one when I looked on the map, but it's not. So, but anyway, it's a pleasant walk. Just a stroll, really, to a waterfall, and it's pretty shady all the way. So no problem for that. And it's pretty much like this all the way. So I'll take some shots on the way, but nothing really exciting. The waterfall was pretty beautiful though, so I'll take a video of that when I get there later. See, this is a national forest, and yeah, very nice. The path going off this way, I don't know where it's going. Let's have a look. This goes into the bushes. There's lots of water pipes on this walk. I think it brings water to the town below here, a little settlement. And as you can hear, leaking pipes. Alright, let's press on the left here. Yeah, I might go along here sometime and have a look where it goes. See, doesn't look like a well-used trail. Yeah, I should probably come with some people along here rather than on my own. So let's head back. Yeah, as I said, nothing terribly exciting about this walk. Just along the road. Anyway, better than sitting in an apartment all the time. Nice fresh air. Not easy to get scenery here because there's so many trees. There we go. You look down there, it's a little village where I passed through on my way up here. Mountains are really beautiful here. Dense vegetation. Yeah, let's press on. The thing about walking or hiking in these mountains here in Jianshih is the weather changes so fast. Last week I went along this same mountain group. Started off okay and then ended up in pouring rain. Here's the river that flows from the waterfall. Yeah, some clouds rolling in. See, I hope I don't get wet. Not so nice. In the mountains here in Taiwan are these tree ferns. They're huge. This isn't even a big one. They get much bigger. Yeah, we get them in South Africa as well. On Eisner area. These really get big. Maybe I'll find a bigger one later. These are babies. And also these ferns that grow in the trees naturally. Here's a baby one. River's down there. You can hear. Bearing in the trees. Some pretty little pink flowers. Yeah, and that's the mountain. I think I was at the back of this mountain last week. Like a higher peak than this. Trying to get a view, yeah. A little hard. Yeah, can't do much. Maybe later. All along this path, road, are these trees that are really precariously positioned. Lots of rockfall. Just waiting for the next typhoon to come along and it will fall down like this one. Yeah, there's some more ahead here as well. You can see they're really just hanging on for dear life. And good solid rain, we'll see the end of them. And yeah, you can see it's a boulder that's come running down there from the last rain. It rains a lot here in these mountains. Not so much down in the valley, but up here in the mountain rains pretty much very frequently. There you can see a tree that didn't make it. Don't think I want to walk along this path when there's raining. Could be pretty dodgy. These trees just hanging on. Oh, down there for a swim. Yeah, but here in Asia you ain't allowed to swim in the rivers. It's quite weird. They have all these nice rivers, but you're not allowed to swim. Same in China, same in Korea. Like in South Africa, there's a river, we're in it, especially if it's a hot day. Anyway, let's press on. Arrived at the turn off the road to the waterfall. Quite keen to know where this road goes. Maybe after I've been to the waterfall, I'll get on my scooter, take a ride up here and see where it goes. Could be interesting. Anyway, here's the path leading to the waterfall. Try and film it without breaking my neck. Okay, not bad. Some nice pools down there. We can't really get there though. Bit of a rock scramble here. Okay, nearly there. There's a nice pool down there. You can see it through the trees, and down there is also. Okay, let's get to the waterfall. Ah, yeah, look at that pool. Man, that says let's swim. Get a bit closer to the pool. The road is a bit rough down there. It's rough to get down there, but if you could, it might be worth a swim. A mini waterfall up there. Okay. You can see these ferns that grow in the trees. Okay, let me head towards the waterfall stairs, which they love so much on the mountains here in Taiwan. More stairs. Okay, nearly there, I think. Ah, yeah. You can just see it peeping through the trees. Some more stairs, and we'll be there. Okay, done. Yeah, pretty awesome waterfall. But it's pretty, you can't get down there to have a swim. Here we have a closer look at the pool and the waterfall. Man, it's just no way down. Wish I could get down there. Yeah, can't do that. Okay, gonna have a snack and then head on back and investigate a bit more. Done my snacking, so now I'm gonna head back out here again. Some nice flowers over there. And I'm gonna head back to my bike and then explore a bit more and maybe make some more videos about this area. Let's see how it goes. There's a place on my way back I want to go to. It's called Lavender Cottage. I heard it's pretty nice there as well, so maybe I'll stop there. Alright, so one last look at the waterfall before I head back. Nice view of the rock face. If you like to scramble up rocks, you can go there. It's pretty deserted here now because it's early in the morning. It's only 9:30. But later in the day, this gets kind of busy. Lots of families come up here to watch the water, to have a look at the waterfall. A pleasant little stroll. Okay, let's head back to the bike.